Hello guys, welcome to Medical Maniac. Healthy mind lives in a healthy body, but at present nobody follows this. Due to our changing day-to-day life and lifestyle, we are getting closer to our comfort zone. As our comfort zone provides us undisturbed facilities and adds happiness in our life, in our surroundings, we can see that everybody is on fast move. Everybody wants to be rich as soon as possible with the branded name and fame. But this type of thoughts is killing us from inside. We can't even imagine that daily we are taking risk at every alternative move with our body. People with their busy schedule has totally forgotten that without good health no matters wealth. They are just compromising with their health to get enrichment in their lifestyle. As a result, we are being trapped by several types of dangerous diseases, in which some are curable and some are not, and some last forever. According to health and nutrition experts, 75% of diseases comes in our mind and body with unbalanced diet. They have blinded themselves and totally forgotten that their first priority should be good health, because the real wealth is which supports us to work is the health only and nothing else. So it can't be wrong saying that health is wealth. So among several diseases here, we are to study about a very dangerous disease named called ischemic heart disease, which is found as the most lethal disease of the world, also called as CAD or atherosclerotic heart disease. In India, more than 10 million cases can be seen every year, in which only few are cured if they are alert at earliest step. Otherwise, they have been lost their lives badly. Every year, cases are increasing rapidly because some of our health experts says that treatment can help, but this condition can't be cured. It can last for years or maybe lifelong. To stop at early moment requires a medical diagnosis or some of the lab test imaging often required. The major attack of this lethal heart disease is on heart, as it damages the heart blood vessels. Usually the main cause of this is the buildup of plaque. This limits blood flow to heart by narrowing coronary arteries. Coronary artery disease is quite treatable, but there is no cure. This means that you have to live your whole life with CAD if once diagnosed. So how is this ischemic heart disease is caused? The most common cause of myocardial ischemia is blood clot. The plaques that develop in atherosclerosis can rupture. It might block an artery and can lead to sudden severe myocardial ischemia, resulting in a heart attack. Is it similar to heart attack? It can't be wrong saying yes, because it happens when any of these arteries get suddenly or acutely blocked. In other words, we can understand that the term ischemic is given to heart problems caused by narrowed heart as a trace. As a result, the amount of blood and oxygen reaching the heart muscles reduces. Therefore, the ultimate reason that leads to the heart attack is coronary artery disease and coronary heart disease. Who are at more risk? People who are found at more risk are those persons who are suffering from high LDL or low HDL cholesterol, high blood pressure, family issues, diabetes, smoking, and being older than 45 for men. Some says that obesity is also an important factor in increasing the disease. What are the types of coronary heart disease? There are three types of coronary heart disease. Mainly they are obstructive coronary artery disease, non-obstructive coronary artery disease, and coronary microvascular disease. Warning signs to painful death. The pain that usually characterizes with this heart disease is described according to medical research that mostly due to the tightness in the chest, which can occasionally radiate to the base of the neck, the jaw, arms, or the back. Other than this, chest pain, shortness of breath, heart palpitations, weakness or dizziness, sweating, etc. are some of the signs that is seen at the primary stage. Some of the diagnoses for heart disease are, you can see blood analysis, chest x-ray, ECG, medical history and coronary CT. Medical procedure and treatment. Under the medical procedure, by following few steps such as coronary stent and angioplasty as well as surgery plays a great role to reduce the risks of heart disease at a great extent. With the changing lifestyle, medication and self care is the most important thing that everyone should follow, such as quitting smoking, weight loss, physical exercise, and low fat diet. So, what are the preventive measures for heart disease? So, every health and nutritionist recommend that by taking a healthy diet with the low fat and high fiber diet, which should include plenty of fresh fruits and vegetables, decrease the risk of heart disease. Not only this, if a person takes vitamin B3, it will helps a lot to rise the blood levels as well as helps to remove cholesterol deposits from artery walls. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. We'll meet you on another video of Medical Maniac. Bye.